What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's the fourth Saturday of the month, so let's head out to Customs Night.
Turn it up.
guys enjoyed the video. It's like midnight here right now. Mason fell asleep the instant he hit his car seat when we put him in the car at customs night. Hopefully the video turned out well. I really don't enjoy shooting at night just because it's hard to get good video at nighttime. This will just be a little bit of an extra video for all y'all because tomorrow is going to be the good video when we go to the Futema Flightline Fair. So I'll be out there videoing that tomorrow, and hopefully I'll be able to get both of these videos out quick. But it's after midnight now, so I'm going to head to bed just like Mason, and I will see you guys tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching.